I've been a video or multimedia producer for Cherokee Nation Communications, or the Cherokee Phoenix, since moving here in 2005. My family, they were Western. My grandpa was a cattle rancher. My dad trained racehorses. My mom worked for the Racing Commission. She was Miss Rodeo, and so in other words, we were cowboy types. My mom's best friend saw me on a trampoline and said, "You need to get that kid in gymnastics, you know?" So all of a sudden I was around gymnastics kids, and all of a sudden I was around a much more urban group. So I went into the gym, and I could do double backflips and double front flips before I ever was coached. So the coach of the team comes over and he says, "Who are you?" And I told him, and he says, Where did you practice before this?" And I said, "I didn't." He said, "You don't know anything, but you know a lot." And so he put me on the team like my first day that I was supposed to take class. Made me feel pretty special.